I will be discussing upon the ride-on product that I worked on. So my design brief was to design a product which was a playground equipment as well as a ride-on product. The product was to help the children to develop their physical skills with the involvement of the other kids while they are playing in the playground. So as discussed, some of the must-haves and may-haves were there decided by the entire group. So I chose up some of the must-haves and may-haves. These are some of the ideations that I came up with using after the brainstorming sessions, and so these were the top 10 ideas that I categorized into a final list. From the top 10, then I had to pick up one final concept. So I took the inspiration from a dragon flying, the wing movement, and this is the small sketch of how the product works. For finalizing the concept, I categorized all the ideations under certain parameters, and marking them on those parameters, I found out that the final concept that I took the ride on for, which was very similar to the seesaw, was scoring higher than rest of them. So these are some of the parameters that I considered for the further conceptualization. The prototype, and a lot of prototyping and mechanisms was done. So these are some of the prototypes that I worked on, and I kept on changing on the mechanisms and try to figure out the simplest way in which the product can work. Then further I worked on some of the form variations. So these are the form variations for the upper part, the seat part of the product. The color variation, some of the form variation, I took one of the form variation and tried to convert it into different color patterns. This is the final product that I created. And for branding, I chose the name as TeeRox, which is the combination of a teeter and rock-on chair. So the reason behind the development of the logo was it has a small character. So here is the product that I would like to discuss about. This is working on a small gear mechanism which helps to rotate each other simultaneously. So it works like this. It has a motion that the two kids will be facing each other simultaneously.